Hello there, friends. Danny here from Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so I'm stopping by with my Saturday showcase. All the links to the blog posts or videos for these cards are in the description box, so if you ever have any questions, feel free to go click on those, and then all the information is there. I also want to mention that this week is a special week, and I will have another video up later this afternoon that will have all of my Crafting Kimmy cards that I created for the February 2022 release. I thought it would be fun to do those in a separate video and be able to show you the stamps and products that were released as well. So come back later on this afternoon to see those cards. And on to this week's cards. First up, we had the Crafting Kimmy Saturday Challenge, which was hearts. I used Happy Friends for my main image there. Super fun. It says, "I'm so happy you're my friend." Next, I have a card that I created for inspiration for my challenge group. There's a stamp for that. It is linked in the description box below. This is a cute and fun stamp I got from the Not Too Shabby shop, and it's from the Darcy's section. Love those stamps. And the stamp said is "Stay sharp," and it's "Hope your birthday is on point." There's the inside. Next up, it was my day to post for the Not Too Shabby Instagram digital team. This digital stamp is Stack of Pancakes, and I had fun with my glossy accents and made that syrup look more realistic and shiny. I still love the glossy accents, so much fun. And I also noticed this week I'm into sequins. I have a lot of sequins on my card. So there's that one, and now I'm hungry. Next up was another inspiration card for my challenge group. There's a stamp for that. It's the themes for got a little tongue-tied there. The themes for Challenge 30 were paper piecing, birthdays, or circles. So that other card was for the birthday theme, and this one is for the paper piecing. I love paper piecing, so I did her little towels there and more sequins. These are more iridescent, old embossing folder. Just wanted to send a special thanks. There we go. I've never been to a spa. Let me know below. Have you been to a spa? Did you enjoy it? I kind of feel like I would really like to just kind of kick back and relax. And then my last card for the week was for the Not Too Shabby February 2022 challenge, which was a mood board. Typically, mood boards overwhelm me, and I don't know that I've participated in very many mood board challenges, maybe a couple. But I noticed that there was peaks of this paper from the Spring Things box of the month. And so I just focused on that and used products from the Spring Things box of the month. And I had so much fun creating this card. That little gnome girl is just adorable. And it's just, yeah, I love how it turned out. Bunny kisses. And there's the inside. So there's my cards for the week. Again, come back later and I will have all the Crafting Kimmy cards that I created for the February 2022 release. And thank you so much for taking time out of your day to stop by. And until my next video, have an amazing day.